Hello! Today we're going to show you IKEA Shopping's restaurant section. We'll try to see the new normal in their restaurant. See you there! What is the new normal in IKEA restaurant is you have to fall in line and you have to maintain social distancing. So they have this one. It doesn't look like it is a barrier, but actually it is a barrier in between people who are falling in line, and it means we håller avstånd, keep distance. Now that we're done eating, usually this is what people do here. What will you do?
You should put the tray here and then go inside the kitchen.
You have to leave your plates there. So that means they are saving manpower, which is really good.
It stopped. It stopped.
This is just like a baggage section in the airport. It will just keep on rolling. So customers just leave. Look.
It's rolling.
There. Cool, right? Thank you for the food. There you go.